The spread of illness behind bars and even after being released. Tonight, the Washington County Jail using federal funds to find a solution. Thanks for joining us here at 6 o'clock. I'm Doug Warner.
And I'm Sonia Hill. Today, the Washington County Courthouse, they held a COVID mitigation project presentation addressing how to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in the jail. KNWA's Kylie Neal joins us now in the studio, and she spent the afternoon at the courthouse learning more about that COVID mitigation project. So, Kylie, what was addressed at today's presentation?
Well, Doug and Sonia, Washington County addressed medical concerns, detainee intake and release concerns, and social distancing concerns. Their mitigation efforts address the health and safety of detainees and staff alike.
Once COVID hit us in 2020, and we realized right away that our current jail facility was never designed to be able to isolate people into smaller groups and smaller housing units.
The Washington County Jail was faced with a problem during the pandemic, and the federal government stepped in to help.
The federal government, in its wisdom, sent some money along to the counties and the cities to help mitigate COVID.
So the county proposed a COVID mitigation project to help navigate the health and safety of inmates and residents. Washington County Judge Patrick Deakins urges residents to understand that inmate safety and health is top of mind for the county.
COVID's knocked us off track a little bit, but we're about to get back on track and really bring a lot of great things to this facility.
Sheriff Cantrell says the intake and release portion of the jail is where the contamination could spread to residents outside of the jail. That's why there needs to be a way to separate sick inmates.
Particularly separating the intake from the release, and then they're not going to take something back home to their family, maybe back to their grandmother or grandfather who's compromised in their health and cause them to end up in the hospital or worse.
That's why Judge Deakins says he wants county residents to know what this will do to help mitigate the spread of COVID.
It's supporting a very vulnerable population that intersects with our criminal justice world down at the jail. And so I'm proud of this. I would very heavily endorse this project, once again, just to restore the dignity and the health, safety, and welfare to our inmates.
Well, the project aims to add about 36,000 square feet of space and renovate an additional 2,000 square feet. Now, many residents may be wondering if their tax dollars will be funding this project. County Judge Patrick Deakins says it will be paid for by using federal funds. For more information on this project, you can head on over to our website. Reporting in studio, Kylie Neal, KNWA, Northwest Arkansas News.